Hey, Pathlight community, Ruth Banta here. Today is Friday, February 5th. You're probably saying, hey, Ruth, what's that behind you? That is thank you, essential human service workers from the Caring Force. We all know this as winter, but this is also Massachusetts state budget time. Over the next few months, the governor and the legislature, our representatives and senators are going to decide how to spend Massachusetts revenue starting next July. And it's really important for them to know the essential work that we do as human service workers, that you all as our workforce do every day, and to advocate that we get adequate funding to support those services and the wages and stipends. So the Caring Force is working with many organizations. This is one of our trade groups to highlight the work we do. And one of the things are lawn signs. That's what this is. So we have purchased lawn signs and we are going to be distributing them to people who want to display them in their lawns or in their apartment windows or in your car if it's safe, to really show who we are and how many of us there are. And I may have already mentioned it, but there are 180,000 human service workers in the state of Massachusetts. So keep an eye out for this. There'll be other parts of the visibility campaign from the Caring Force. I'm going to put a link to them in the email. If you're not already signed up, you can log on and put in your email and they will give you updates and tell you what's happening. Or you can also hear it through us. So now we'll go to our COVID numbers. We've had a few positive cases in our family-based living organization. We have not seen as much in our residential organizations, but part of that could be because the state put out a new testing system with a new company for us to use. And that company has had some difficulties gearing up. So we have not been able to do as much testing. So we may see some more people testing positive next week once we're able to straighten out the testing. But hopefully those numbers are going down because everyone is following all of the various state protocols and keeping yourself safe and healthy. On the vaccine side, we are working to try to get vaccine access to all the Pathlight community that are eligible in the different state phases. I have a link in the email to a clinic at Behavioral Health Network on Liberty Street in Springfield. We have partnered with them to give access to our staff and care providers who are eligible in phase 1 and the beginning of phase 2. It's very easy to sign up for an appointment with them. They have a lot of appointments. So if you want to get the vaccine, please take advantage of that link and if Springfield works for you. We are also continuing to send out information about educating yourselves on the vaccine. So we encourage people to educate yourself, and we do hope that as many people get vaccinated as they can. And lastly, I just want to say, I don't know what the groundhog was thinking on February 2nd, but gee, surprise, we're going to have 6 more weeks of winter. So hang in there, folks. We got through January. Now we have the month of February. And the good news is it's a short month. So thank you all for what you do. Be well, stay strong, take care of yourselves. You're important. And of course, here we go, wash your hands. Thank you.